Tozan. I had many clients that asked me, Gogo, does the online consultation thing really works? Gogo, I was scammed. Gogo, this what happened. Gogo, this what happened. Gogo, is this thing of online consultation works? Is it true that somebody can actually see your problems via a voice note, via a video call? Gogo, is this thing really works of the online consultation? Ngempela Gogo, ngempela kuthiwa nje kuyabhulwa njena it's ukubhula of that thing is it real? I don't know. But if you want me to do a video about it, I can. I do have answers that I can get that I know of from the head of my mind. Yeah, I can find out ukuthi in online consultation, how does it work? How genuine it is. I can find that information. If you assign me in this family, if you assign me as ugogo of this family, to say, Granny, please get us information about this online consultation. How does it works? And go deep, go deep about it. I don't mind to go deep about it because it's something that has a lot of misleading to other people. They don't understand. I went to social media and I checked those kind of content, and I've realized there's a lot of worry that is happening that makes one to be very lost. So I understand for those who ask me, please Gogo, can you go deeper about this thing of the online consultation? We want to know because we trust this educational channel. We trust this family channel to be responsible and reliable and consistent in giving us the accurates in terms of research that we do. If you want that, it's okay. I don't have a problem with that. I'm all yours. Tozan.